For generations, we've been told the same story. Buy a home and you'll be set for life. Real estate, they say, is the safest investment. But in today's world, that old advice is starting to look outdated and nearly impossible for the average American. I'm here to argue something bold. Buying Bitcoin is a smarter bet than buying a house. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, and fellow investors, we stand at a crossroads in the world of personal finance. The age-old dream of homeownership is increasingly challenged by a new, disruptive force, Bitcoin. While the allure of a tangible asset and the security of a roof over your head are strong, I'm here to highlight why, from an investment perspective, Bitcoin may offer a compelling alternative to traditional real estate. Now, with full disclosure, I will humbly let you all know that I fell into the race, put the $100,000 down payment into a mortgage, and joined the economic machine of home ownership, which is basically the equivalent of land renting. Buying a home doesn't mean that you actually own the land and can fundamentally do what you want to do without consequences. Imagine what will happen if you forget to pay your mortgage. Imagine what will happen if you forget to pay your property taxes. Home ownership is a vital part, but if I were to do it again, I would choose Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be purchased in small amounts, making it accessible to a wider range of investors without needing millions of dollars up front. Bitcoin is far more liquid than real estate, allowing for quicker access to capital if needed. Bitcoin incurs no maintenance costs, unlike real estate, which requires ongoing expenses like property taxes, repairs, and HOA fees. Bitcoin appreciated at around 20 to 50% yearly, while your home appreciates at a 3% clip. Bitcoin, with its limited supply of 21 million coins, is a hedge against inflation, where its value could increase as the money supply grows. Bitcoin operates independently of central banks and governments, unlike traditional currencies or real estate. Now, critics will say, but Bitcoin is risky, it's volatile. And yes, it swings, but volatility cuts both ways. Risk is the price of opportunity. Meanwhile, people forget that real estate has risks too. Housing bubbles, mortgage debt, natural disasters, rising interest rates. Nothing is risk-free, but Bitcoin's upside potential is far greater. Finally, the future. Real estate belongs to the past, the industrial age, where owning land was the key to wealth. Bitcoin belongs to the digital age, scarce, programmable, decentralized money that isn't controlled by governments or banks. The question is not just where will your money grow, but where does the future point? Ladies and gentlemen, the choice is simple. You can buy a house, entire wealth to one street corner in one city, or you can buy Bitcoin, entire wealth to the future of money itself.